Hello everyone, and welcome to today's discussion on the roadmap of data science and its resources. Data science is an ever-evolving field that has gained significant attention in recent years. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, having a roadmap and access to resources is essential. In this session, I'll be sharing with you the steps you need to take to become a successful data scientist, along with a list of recommended resources to help you along the way. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with basic statistics and mathematics. Duration 3-6 months. The foundation of data science is rooted in statistics and mathematics. It's crucial to have a basic understanding of probability, statistics, and linear algebra to proceed further. You can start by taking online courses, such as Coursera's Introduction to Statistics, or reading books such as All of Statistics, a concise course in statistical inference by Larry Wasserman. Step 2. Learn programming languages such as Python or R. Duration 3-6 months. The next step is to learn a programming language that is widely used in data science. Python and R are two of the most popular languages in the field. They are relatively easy to learn, and there are many resources available to help you get started. For example, you can take an online course on Coursera or Udemy, or you can use a website such as Codecademy to practice your coding skills. Step 3. Acquire knowledge in database management and exploration. 1-2 months. As a data scientist, you'll need to be proficient in database management and SQL. This includes understanding how to extract data from databases, manipulate it, and visualize it. You can take online courses such as Coursera's Introduction to SQL or Udemy's SQL for data analysis, or you can use websites such as W3 Schools to practice your SQL skills. Step 4. Explore data visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI. Duration 1-2 months. Visualizing data is an essential part of data science. Tools such as Tableau or Power BI allow you to create interactive dashboards and visualizations that help you communicate your findings effectively. You can start by taking online courses such as Udemy's Data Visualization with Tableau or Coursera's Power BI Essential Training. Step 5. Get hands-on experience with machine learning algorithms. Duration 6-12 months. These are the 5 steps you need to take to become a successful data scientist. In addition to these steps, there are many resources available to help you along the way. Here are some recommended resources. Kaggle. This is a website that hosts data science competitions and provides access to datasets, kernels, and tutorials. DataCamp. This is an online platform that offers interactive courses in data science, statistics, and programming. KNuggets. This is a website that provides news, articles, and tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Stack Overflow. This is a question and answer website for software developers, including data scientists. In conclusion, becoming a data scientist requires a combination of education, experience, and practice. By following this roadmap and using the resources provided, you'll be well on your way to a successful career in data science. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this session